For plumbing designers and contractors of domestic hot water recirculation systems in commercial buildings, the goal is consistent hot water on demand. Yet too often, systems rely on traditional manual or automatic balancing valves that don't maintain temperatures. Balanced in a static system, these valves cannot adapt to demand variations, resulting in expensive and time-consuming cycles of balancing and rebalancing, leaving occupants frustrated without hot water and engineers blamed for poor designs. With CircuitSolver, cold water from hot fixtures are eliminated. CircuitSolver balances in a fraction of the time and dynamically modulates flow to sustain a set temperature. Automatically and continuously balancing the system as conditions change, these thermostatic valves remove the pains of traditional valves. Instead, you gain a dynamic solution that constantly modulates flow to maintain a set temperature. Installed just before the return at the end of each riser, CircuitSolver uses our unique thermaloid wax thermal actuator to modulate the valve open and closed as the temperature changes. During the initial system startup, the valve is wide open and will gradually close once the temperature requirements are met. The valve remains closed to keep hot water in the line, opening as needed when the temperature drops below the set point and automatically modulating back closed, allowing a small flow bypass to the return once the water reaches the set point. A system is balanced in hours, not days, and remains balanced as conditions change. We offer many CircuitSolver options to meet your needs, each one designed to seamlessly fit your specifications and reduce the total number of system components to minimize potential leak points. CircuitSolver is a dynamic valve that provides a temperature solution to a temperature problem, so the occupants will always have hot water when they need it.